Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to do a part 2 on glitter organization. So if you haven't seen my first video, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Go check that one out. But I accomplished all of this, and I'm really loving this over having them in the baggies. And so I had only bought one just to test it out, see if I liked it. Obviously, I have still a full bag of Glitter Heaven Australia, as well as a full bag of Glitter Boutique Canada. But I have 2 more containers, so one for the Glitter Heaven and then one for the Glitter Boutique Canada. In case anyone was wondering, this is the container that I got. It's Everything Mary bead storage case. This is from Walmart. I tried finding it on their website, but I couldn't find it. I was going to link it for you guys last time, but it's just a bead storage case. You could find this at like Hobby Lobby, Michael's as well. Any sort of craft store would have like a bead container like this. Anything similar would work great for glitter organization. So I'm not going to talk through the whole process because I've already showed you guys last time. So let's just get into it. Make sure to check out my 2 mystery unboxing videos for the Glitter Heaven Australia glitters. It goes more in depth into each of the glitters as well as how I got them. So go check those out if you want more glitter inspiration. And in case anyone is interested in the nails that I'm wearing, on my right hand I have a really cute short nail design. I will leave a link in the description box down below for that one. And then on my other hand I have these really cute Disney the Jungle Book inspired Baloo nails. I will also leave a link in the description box down below for that video. Make sure to go check that one out as well. And if you guys are on TikTok and like cool nail, especially glitter shots, go check out my TikTok. It's at amyk.romero, same as my Instagram. I have some different edits for some glitter pours over there. Alright, so I have all of the Glitter Heaven Australia glitters in boxes. I have that full box, and then this is the second one that I've done today, which I have 2 rows left. So I did fill up the majority of the box. But I'm going to go ahead and open my second box up and do the glitters I have from Glitter Boutique Canada. if you like these glitters from Glitter Boutique Canada, make sure to go check out my unboxing of their glitters. I will leave a link in the description box down below. And then coming up soon, hopefully, I will have more in-depth on the UV glitters. That is in the process of being filmed. And then I also want to do one on the chameleon glitters, so wait for that coming up soon. Alright, so now I have all of them done for Glitter Boutique Canada, except for this one, because I had two UV ones and they look exactly the same. So I did one, labeled it, and now I can do the other and label it. They're just numbers, and it's been so long since I ordered these that I don't remember what colors they're supposed to be. So I'm actually going to stick them in the light in my lamp and figure out what colors they change into, and then also put that on the label. And since these bags were so much bigger, it's actually harder to get that pour in it. But it's okay. So let me stick them in the lamp so I could tell what color they change into. And then we'll label this one UV1. So now that I have all of my glitters done, I'm going to go ahead and organize them. I'm going to organize the Glitter Boutique ones a little bit differently than the Glitter Heaven Australia ones. So Glitter Heaven Australia, I'm going to do kind of rainbow order as best as I can. And then for Glitter Boutique Canada, they're kind of specialty glitters. So I have 3 chameleons, 2 shaped ones, 2 UV, and then I have 3 just normal glitters. So I'm going to kind of put them in different sections. I'll show you. So I pulled this one from the lamp so I could put this sticker on it. This one looks purple. So I'm going to print out a purple label and also put it on here. But let's see what the other one is. Orange. Oh, cool. So I have purple and orange UV. And I totally forgot a long time ago when I ordered these and I originally did the video on them. I said I was going to do a separate video like testing these on nails, and I never did. So I should do that. I will leave a link in the description box down below for videos of opening both glitter brands. So go check those out if you want to know the glitters more in depth. so now we know that UV4 changes to an orange and UV1 changes to a purple. I think they had 6 different UV ones, and they're pretty interesting. I definitely want to try them. Try them on nails. I just don't know if I should put them on like a white background, put them on clear. I don't really know. But that's why I'm going to do a whole video on these 2 glitters. Okay, let me kind of zoom out so you can see them all. So I'm going to take these out and put my UV ones over here. Then I'm going to take these out. We'll do special shaped ones next to them. So I have bats and I have leaves. I ordered this collection in the fall, and that's why they're very fall tone. Look at Hocus Pocus, pumpkin spice, bats, leaves. Okay, there's the chameleon ones. And then do these ones like that. There we go. So these are like the specialty ones. So my UV, special shapes, and then chameleon glitters. And then over here are the 3 regular glitters that I have. And I don't know. I mean, because I know what the brand is. I don't know if I'll label like on here. Glitter Boutique Canada. We'll see. Okay, now for these ones, I'm going to try to rainbow organize them. So, I think I'm just going to take them all out, organize them, and then put them in the box. The thing is, a lot of these have like multi-glitters, and so I'll see how I can like sort the multi-glitters into rainbow order. So here's the first one, whites into clear iridescent, into golds, coppers, into teals, blues, blue purples into purples, purples into purple pinks, into pinks, pink, silver, pink, gold, funfetti, into like a pink gold, rose, rose. And then these ones are those 3, chameleon, special shapes, UV. I think I'm pretty pleased with how this came out. Alright guys, so I am pretty happy and pretty pleased with how this came out. You guys let me know down below if you like how I organized them and what you would do differently, or if you would do the same. Would you guys incorporate these ones and just rainbow organize them into the rest, or would you keep them separate brands? That's also another question I have, because I'm not sure. Because I actually don't have that many of these. And I organize this one differently because in my brain that's how I did it. But I wonder if it'd be better if I just incorporated into the rest of the glitters. But I'm very pleased. I definitely found some glitters that I didn't know I had ordered, and some I had just forgotten about. So I'm really excited. I can see all my glitters now. My clients can see all my glitters now. They'll be way easier to pick, way easier to pair. I have glitter everywhere, but I am very excited. So make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you love glitter, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!